Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through the 5 steps that you're supposed to follow for your YouTube channel to get monetized and start earning from it. Point number 1, you need to have 1000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, which is pretty straightforward, and it doesn't matter how long it takes for you to get the 1k subscribers. Once you hit that milestone, you have reached that requirement. Point number 2, as well as 1000 subscribers, you also need 4000 hours of watch time on your videos over the last 12 months. 4k hours means the hours of time people have spent on your videos in the last 12 months, equivalent to 365 days. You could well have the 4000 hours of watch time over the lifetime of your channel, but it's only the last 12 months that count on your YouTube partnership program requirement. Another thing to note about the watch time is that live stream do not count towards the total, while unlisted video do count. But in the case where you delete a video or any video from your channel, the watch time will be removed from your channel watch time hours. And lastly, if you are already on YouTube partnership program and your channel falls below the 4k hours of watch time, YouTube won't automatically remove you from the partnership program, but they can do it at their own discretion. Number 3, you need to follow all YouTube rules of monetization. If you want to monetize your content or channel, you need to make sure you stick to it. As YouTube states, and I quote, when you apply for YouTube partnership program, you will go through a standard review process to see whether your channel meets YouTube policy and guidelines. Only channel that meets them will be accepted into the program. End of the quote. YouTube also constantly check channel in the program and see whether they continue to meet YouTube policies and guidelines. These policies and guidelines that are very comprehensive, given all of the growing pains YouTube have had all of them finding the right balance between creator viewers and advertisers. I highly recommend familiarizing yourself with the policies and guidelines if you want to monetize your channel in the near future. Point number 4 is linking a Google AdSense account with your YouTube channel. If you're going to earn money from your videos, YouTube needs a way to pay you, and at least to begin with, this will be done through an AdSense account. A few things you need to know about this. If you already have an AdSense account, you can use that. You can connect multiple channels to one Google AdSense account. And if you haven't got an AdSense account, you can set up one during the YouTube partnership program application process, where they have provided a link to that. Point number 5, it's now applying for YouTube partnership program. Let's remind ourselves of those requirements one more time. You need 1k subscribers on your YouTube channel. That's one. Number 2, 4000 watch time hours on your videos over the last 12 months. Number 3, to comply with all YouTube policies and guidelines. Number 4, have an AdSense account set up. When you have applied YouTube partnership program, it may take up to a month for the platform to make the decision. This is because actual human beings will review your channel, so it's a manual process. Some channels have been approved in days, so it could be quicker. However, it does take longer than a month, then your channel will usually be placed in further review. When this happens, unfortunately, the wait time will get more longer, 3 to 6 or even a year. In some unfortunate cases, YouTube never seems to come to a decision, leaving the creator in monetization limbo. In case your channel gets rejected from YouTube partnership program, YouTube will give you a general reason as to why. Unfortunately, they won't tell you specifically what video or content is causing the issue, so you may be left blindly adjusting your channel. However, the good news is that you can reapply for the program after 30 days of time. Again, this is where you will have to use your common sense. If you think there are videos that are against the community guidelines and policy, you will need to adjust them. If there are videos that have copyright content on them, then those are probably causing a problem with the YouTube as well. You will need to delete them.